Hello, how do I check if my account is ready for trading? Swing Trading Chart Analysis of TJX. Well, you log into your account online and you can check your account history. It will show transactions. If anything is pending, you'll know it. If everything, your money you transfer to your account is ready, first your account that you created will be set. You will link your bank account to your brokerage account if that's the route. If you want to transfer money from your brokerage account to transfer money through your brokerage account, transfer money from your local bank to the brokerage account, or transfer money from your brokerage account to your local bank, you want to link those money resources that you have and transfer money to your brokerage account that you want to trade with, you want to swing trade with. So if the amount is pending, you cannot swing trading. So therefore, when you see, under the cash section of your brokerage account or your Roth IRA, whichever you are using to swing trade, you created to swing trade, once you see the cash available there, that means you are ready to start swing trading. So first, you want to set up your account. Second, you want to link your bank account to that account. So the account needs to be set up before you can do that linking. So that means that first step is done. Once you did that linking, the brokerage firm will try to make short deposits to your local bank account for you to confirm it, for the link to be established. They have modern way that they do that right away by confirming it right away as well. And when that is done, then you can transfer money from your bank to your brokerage account that you can use to swing trade. But when you do that transfer, you cannot swing trade right away. It could take a week or so for the money to be actually there. So you will see a pending transactions. And you can see that in your account history. And depending on if that's a checking account at the brokerage firm that you did a transfer through, you can see the pending transactions there as well. And when the money hit the account, they might hold on to it. So you might see amount on hold. So you are not going to swing through it when you are seeing those. But once the amount is included in the amount available in the account, that is when you know that the amount that you transfer to your account is available for you to start swing trading. If you are unsure, you can just call the brokerage firm and to double check, ask somebody to check the account if the account is ready for you to start swing trading. I will assume all those brokerage firms will have a good customer service to be able to assist you. I know that just when I call, I talk to somebody, and that will answer my question very quickly and efficiently. So that's that. So today, what is the stock we are going to analyze is TJX. We are going to use maximum daily chart to analyze TJX. Is a buy during the week or not? It is not a buy based on long option and swing trading strategy that we are using. And why is that? Because we want to buy at this support line. And there is this one as well that is about 3 years long or so. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and we have the price on the y-axis from 0 up. 2026 is right there, that dotted line. 2025 is here. 2024 is here, like the beginning of it, to the end of it and begin 2025 to the end of it begin 2026. So we have this line here that is all the way through 2023, mid 2023. However, we pick this one to be where we want to buy, and again it cross with that support line in 2023, but is longer. And right now the price where it is higher, is away, very far away from a very far above, far away from where we want to buy, and is closer to all-time new high because we are using maximum chart. Is all-time new high, all-time highest price here is closer to it than it is to where we want to buy. So why we didn't choose this and we chose this instead, we can go to maximum monthly chart to see it. So when you are looking at maximum monthly chart, you'll notice that there is very a steep growth here. We don't know how long this steep growth will last before it will decide to come back down, because it's just too steep. I feel like it's still claiming a mountain, and this is not a valley line, but it's supporting the mountain wall that is claiming. So for that reason, I think this that originated in 2020 is, 5 years long, could be long enough to be a valley line. I don't think it's going to come all the way down here, but it's a possibility. Until then, we pick this one to be where we want to buy. We can still highlight this one as well, because it's not really too far from this one, and those are the two areas that we want to buy at. It could continue leaning on this and continue going up, but I feel like at some point it's going to pull back because it's just too steep for this to be a new valley. It's more like the mountain wall that is climbing up. For that reason, it's not a buy. If we had it in our portfolio, then we will be thinking more about selling, because and depend on where we bought it, because it has been on this growth for a while and touch base with this support line this in 2025 and continue going up, and touch base within 2024 and continue going up. So there is like at the beginning of the year it tends to come down before going up again. So we are just going to continue observing it and see how long it's going to take before it would pull all the way back here. So again, based on the strategy we are using, because we could buy somewhere here thinking it's going to go up when it's going to go back down. So for that reason, we just prefer not to buy. And either way is nowhere near either one of those three support lines. So therefore, it's not a buy. It's more so to sell if you have it in your portfolio than it is to buy. So thank you so much for watching, and keep in mind that it can continue to go up a little bit right after the new year before it will pull back. Last time it pulled back was more like in March, and here was in April, and so forth. So it could well, continue up a little bit, pull back a little bit, continue up a little bit, but it may not go past this all-time new high until it reach that valley line, that support line, and decided to go back up, just because that's the way it did it before here. So when it pulled back, it went up, but just didn't surpass this high, and then it pulled back. So it's more so the time to sell if you have in your portfolio, but depend on when you bought it and what kind of strategy you are using. But with the strategy we are using, if we had in our portfolio, it will be the time to sell it. And again, we just don't know when it's going to be done climbing the mountain, and we decided to come back down. And it has been in this journey for 3 years now. So thank you so much for watching our videos. TJX is not to buy, is to sell using long option long swing trading strategy. So thank you so much for your time. We thank you very much for watching our videos. We thank you for all your comments, and thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi Liberman, host of Liberman Consulting L.L.C YouTube channel and in soap.com, our blog. On our channel and on our blog, we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence, where you do not depend on an employer to provide for your family. And swing trading is one way to make money. Just start small and grow your account from there. The way we analyze TJX is the way we do our chart analysis using long option long swing trading strategy. If you are unsure you are doing your analysis well and you are interested in our trading strategy, will you please check our online store liberdownload.com for this online workshop, small group online workshop that we organize, for you to practice analyzing charts to see if any is well positioned for you to buy during the week, and get feedback on the way you are doing your analysis. So thank you so much for your time. You will see the link in the description of this video as well. For more videos in this series, will you please check the playlist in the description of this video, how to start swing trading step by step using long option longs, and more swing trading tips, related videos in other playlists as well in the description of this video. Thank you so much for your time, and good luck with your swing trading this year. Best wishes, or best new year wishes. Thank you.